this video, I'll show you how to create a perspective shadow text effect in Canva. Start by opening a new Canva project. Click the background and set the color to black. Go to the Apps section and search for type. Select the Typecraft app and open it. Type your text into the app. Change the font to Anton and set the text color to white. Click Reset Shape to remove any default formatting. Click at Element to design and duplicate the text layer. Edit the duplicated text by selecting Horizontal under Shape Adjustments. Drag the adjustment points to stretch the text slightly. Turn off mirroring, then adjust the center point to refine the shape. Click Update Element to save your changes. Copy this edited text to a new page and download it as a PNG with a transparent background. Return to your original page and delete the initial text layer. Upload the PNG image you just created. Rotate it, flip it horizontally, and resize it to match the position of the original text. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for Gradient Black. Choose a gradient graphic from the options and place it below your text. Duplicate the gradient element to increase its intensity. And that's it! Your perspective shadow text effect is ready. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more design tips. Thanks for watching.